Hi there, Richard here again to answer another commonly asked question when it comes to the world of coaching. What do I do when coaching has finished? Hi there, I'm Dr. Richard McKinnon. I'm a chartered psychologist and coach, and on this channel I share insights from the world of psychology to help you be your best self at work. So a question that comes up regularly when talking about coaching and the coaching relationship is, well, what happens at the end of coaching? Because coaching by its very nature is a time-limited activity. And I answered the question, why doesn't coaching go on forever, in a previous video? So I'll link that down below. But I want to focus on what you can actually do to get the most from the coaching experience, even when it's finished. Because it will finish. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to try and make myself redundant as quickly as possible when working with you. So after coaching, the emphasis is on one, maintenance of the wins. To keep going with the good stuff that you're doing. Whether that's coping with pressure and stress more effectively and sustainably, whether it's maintaining some new healthy habits that are contributing to your well-being, or maintaining a much more sustainable working style and management of your commitments in your calendar. So maintenance of that. But also there's a why underpinning each of these things. Why does it work? Why am I doing it? Why does it resonate with me? Why is it so helpful in my context? Exploring the why for the changes that you make can help you better understand how you can do the second thing, which is to generalize these gains into other aspects of your life. A very common piece of feedback I get is that when one of my coachees has learned that they don't have to respond immediately to thoughts that they have, that they don't need to sit with and somehow walk through all of their emotional experiences, that they don't have to act how they feel the whole time, is that they say that they can do it in their personal lives as well. They realize that what works in the workplace with maybe some adjustments can work really well outside of work. And that's an example of generalizing that into another domain in life. Because the principles are often really, really similar. Developing an accommodation for the thoughts and feelings we have as a human, learning how to build in some flexibility into our behavior, learning how to cultivate new ways of behaving that are much more in line with the kind of person that we want to be. Maybe doing what's scary anyway, because what's scary is also important and meaningful to us. This is about taking what you've learned in coaching and making it work for you on an ongoing basis. As I've said previously, it doesn't mean the doors are shut in your face and we can never speak again. But because we've worked through our program together of usually 6 sessions, it's a good idea to take some time after that to work at putting it into practice, maintaining and then generalizing the wins. And then of course in the future, we can always talk again to address a different topic, to work on a different aspect of your development, or to support you with a different challenge you're facing. But I always say to my clients, if we never speak again, you have the tools at your disposal to deal with so many of the things that life can throw at you. And that's to ensure they don't feel that they need to pick up the phone every time something goes wrong, because that's not really sustainable in coaching terms. So anyway, I hope that's answered your question. I'm going to put a link to the coaching frequently asked questions page on my website in case you're interested. And if you've got questions about coaching that aren't answered on the FAQ page, please get in touch. Drop a comment into the comment section below or email me directly. My contact details are on the website. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.